Every time you have vegetables, save those scraps in a bag in the freezer. And once you have a nice pile, we're going to take a big pot that's oven safe, heat butter or olive oil or oil of your choice with sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and seasonings of your choice, and brown the heck out of those vegetable scraps. Then add water, bring it to a boil, set it in an oven, set it 250 degrees for 4 to 8 hours. Don't forget to set a timer. And in the end, you have this beautiful nutrient-rich broth made from scraps you would have thrown away anyway. And now you can enjoy that broth. Do your little broth diet if you like, or use it to make wonderful, nutritious soup with some fresh vegetables. Use the broth to make grains or beans, but don't forget you have to consume it within about 5 days, otherwise freeze it and save it for later. One last strain to get rid of all the impurities and enjoy. And with this beautiful nutrient-rich broth, you get luxurious hair and bulging biceps. You get long, lean legs. You might get a flat, strong stomach and more bulging biceps. And you can take bathroom selfies. And you might get to meet Arnold Schwarzenegger at Gold's Gym, if you happen to go there like I do most days. Or you might get to be on a TV show called Dinner and a Movie, just because you're a chef. And then you can do handstands, all because you didn't throw away those vegetable scraps. So make your vegetable-rich broth today.